My initial reaction was mixed feeling. We are not sure whether it is beneficial to us or not.
I was concerned because the main job scope of the bellhop was re-engineered to include a new area of responsibility in security.
Initially, I was a little nervous. However, it became exciting during our training.
I thought it was something I could explore to add to my skill set, make me more versatile and competent.
I was scared, yet excited, but ready to embrace this new challenge.
The most difficult part of the job redesign journey was understanding the new scope and added duties to ensure I was well prepared. Copthorne Kings has been very supportive by investing time and resources for my training.
Learning new things in the housekeeping department was the most difficult part for me. My head of department and colleagues have been helpful and patient in coaching me. They provide hands-on training and gave me time off for my training when necessary.
The most difficult part was to convince the team that this was the best way forward. The company made it a point to explain the new program to all team members. We are motivated to do better.
Stepping out of my comfort zone was challenging at some point during the JR journey. Thankfully, I had a great colleague who are very willing to teach, mentor, be patient with me.
We have to juggle between daily operations and attending to multiple queries from consultants. My mentor was very supportive and motivated all of us. We go through this trial together and encourage each other.
I definitely feel more confident and believe that I am more employable now.
And the new skill has improved my personal value.
The improved result that came with the changes motivated me.
And can manage my time better to be more productive. My advice is maintain a positive mindset.
Keep an open mind to embrace change for the better.
Don't be afraid to step out of your own comfort zone.
Be bold to try new things. Learning never stops.
Go for it!